guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we are testing out an eyebrow kit, an eyebrow dye kit to be specific. It is the Eyebrow London Dybrow, which is quite clever, dye kit. This is a permanent tint that gives brows dark glossy colour for up to 6 weeks. I got the colour dark brown. It was £7.50 from Boots at the minute. It's currently on offer. And I have done my patch test a couple of days ago and it was fine, so we're just going to get into it. I am booked in to have my eyebrows tinted professionally in 5 weeks, 5 or 6 weeks, just because I wanted to have them done before the baby comes. But if this is good, then I will cancel the eyebrow dyeing, because this has got up to 12 applications in it, so we will see how it goes. I've got nothing on my eyebrows now. I have used various other eyebrow dyes. I usually use the Makeup Revolution brow one that you peel off. My only issue is that it's not as dark as I want it to be, so I'm hoping they did this in dark brown and they also did a black as well. There was other colours lighter. But yeah, let's just get in. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up, because I don't know what kind of shiz you like. So in the kit, obviously I have taken this out previously to do the patch test. You've got the dark brown cream colour. I was quite nervous when I did the patch test, because this looks quite warm and I don't really like warm eyebrows. And then this is the activator. So we've got those two, and then we've got a little tiny mixing stick, a spoolie just to spoolie your eyebrows, box, and then instructions. So I've done the sensitivity test. So directions before use. Once the dye cream and activating solution have been mixed, they should be used immediately. Cleanse the eyebrow with a non-oily cleanser. Prepare one eye at a time. Carefully spread a barrier cream like petroleum jelly over the skin and around the eyelids to avoid getting on the hairs. Avoid getting on hairs to be tinted. Pierce blah 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 blah. 2 centimeters of dye colour into the mixing dish. Replace lid immediately. 5 drops of activating solution. Mix together well to form a creamy consistency. This does not drip. Close the first eye and wipe the cream mixture to the eyebrow using the mascara wand. If the cream touches the skin, wipe off immediately with damp cotton wool. Leave on your eyebrow for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping your eye closed throughout. The average application is 10 minutes, but it can be increased or decreased depending on the desired intensity of colour. Use a damp cotton wool pad to gently wipe away the excess from the eyebrow. And that's it. So I am gonna find my eyebrow brush, because I don't really like the idea of just putting it on with this. That doesn't really seem very precise. So I'm gonna go and find my eyebrow brush and then we'll come back and get on it. Right, so the mixing bowl is actually in the packet. So it's 2 centimeters of the colour. So I'm gonna, it looks like a turd. See how warm it looks. Replace the lid immediately, which I'm doing. Ooh, and then 5 drops of this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. It came out quicker than I anticipated. And then we'll just mix it. Doesn't really want to mix. This literally looks like the bearded dragon's poo. I don't think it's going to drip. Okay, that looks disgusting. Maybe more like baby shit than bearded dragon shit, but shit nonetheless. So I'm just going to bring my mirror a bit closer if I can. You going to stay there, mirror? Probably not. Yeah. And then I've just got my, this is my Ruby May eyebrow brush. It's like my favourite brush ever for eyebrows. I'm just going to dip and then paint it on how I would normal eyebrow dye. So I will time lapse through this and then we'll come back and see what it's like at the end. Right, I've got it on. I did it with a brush and then I just used a spoolie just to sort of comb it through. But it's a massive waste of product. Like, look how much is left. So unless you've got eyebrows like this person, I would highly recommend doing half or less, because that is just a lot of waste. So I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes and then we'll wipe it off and we'll see what it's like. It's been 10 minutes, so I've got a damp cotton wool and I'm going to wipe away the excess. It says wipe upwards. I'm quite impressed with that. Ooh. Okay. So it's all gone. There's nothing else left on there. So this is a clean spoolie. I am quite happy with that, to be honest. It's nice and dark. It's not warm at all. I was quite worried that it was going to be warm. But you can see it's not warm in the slightest. I will just try and dry them a bit so you can, there you go. I'm really happy with that. I've got a mirror behind me, that's why, behind you, that's why I'm looking there. I'm really, really pleased with that. Today is the 5th of July. And it says this can last up to 6 weeks. So we will see how long it lasts. But I would be happy to not have to put anything on my eyebrows now. I'd be happy to go out like this and not worry that I didn't have my eyebrows on. So maybe we might be cancelling the eyebrow appointment in 6 weeks, because I'm really happy with it. It hasn't dyed my skin either, like in the eyebrow. It's not, it's literally just dyed the hair. So I'm very, very happy with that. I think they do ones that you can use on your eyelashes, so I might actually look at one of those as well. I'm not sure. My eyelashes are still just lifted and tinted from when I had them done, like, it's got to be 6 weeks ago now, and it's lasted amazing. So I won't do it yet because they're still, I paid to have these done, so I'll just leave it as it is. But yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Very, very impressed. Will definitely use again, and highly recommend. So yeah, if you like this kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.